Okay, so this is a first video on my computer build, and I guess desk. We'll just do it all. So, just whip it around here, and again, this is just the start. I'm planning on putting a lot more into the system, and, well, getting a couple more monitors, because this one's quite small and crap. But yeah, so, I guess we'll first start off with the computer. It's a half-X case. With the processors, the new i7-3960X, the motherboard's the Asus Rampage 4 Extreme. The RAM is a G.SKILL, what's it called? Ripjawsz, 16 gigs of that. The i7, I haven't overclocked it. It's just running at the 3.3 gigahertz right now. With the Corsair H100 running on what are they called? What are the specs called? The air penetrators, Silverstone air penetrators, red LED. Obviously, the whole thing is red. That's the flagship of the case. Is just red, really. Not really a flagship, but I don't care. I got Bitfenix fans. I got two 200s at the front, or at the top, sorry, and a 140 in the back. And I'm going to put in another one right here. I don't have anything on the side right now. But yeah, that's a GTX 480. Just one at the moment, EVGA. And a little bit overkill, but that's the Corsair 1200 watt power supply. So yeah, that's the outside. Hard drives, well, just an SSD, the Corsair Force GT, you can't even see it. It's in there somewhere, right there. There it is. But yeah, I got two red cathodes, one at the top, right there, and then the other one's on the side, over there. And I have external 3 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. I guess that's the case. I'm planning on hopefully getting a better graphics card, because that one's not really the best. Thinking of water cooling, but not quite sure yet. It's just not trustworthy with it, really. And the time to do it is a little bit much. So I'm also gonna maybe put in a Blu-ray drive and a 2 fan controller there. Maybe, I don't know yet. But I got a D-Link router right here. They're like top of the line, really good stuff, best router ever. Speakers are the Sony, I can't remember the exact name for them. I got them a little while ago. But that's the thing for them, is it's this huge box, whatever the thing's called, to connect them together, and then it's running. I have it connected to the motherboard right now. I'm not even running a card or anything with them. Hopefully I'll get one, but I'm not running any of them right now. So it's just onboard sound. And then the screen's a Samsung, nothing special, the ThinkMaster T220 or whatever, not even full 1080p, that's 1050p I think. Keyboard's crap. I gotta get a new one. I got it for like $20, DYNEX, crap. Mouse is a, what's it called? The Mamba, Razer Mamba, that's right. And then I got my, oh, you can't even see it. I got my wheel down there, the Logitech G27, and then the pedals are there. Yeah, my stick shifts underneath there. I got this laptop right now, the Asus ZenBook, just on my bed. And my what is it called? Oh, it's not working at the moment, but it's, what's the name? G73GW. That's right. Razer logo. PS3, AT-AT, TV, crap TV, hopefully to get new monitors, right? And I'm not sure what else to show. I think that's it. I'll put up another update soon, but it's a 5-minute video. I don't think that's that long. I'll listen to it. It's the first video I put out, so yeah. I got my calendar Obviously, Star Wars, somewhat of the main theme. I was thinking about getting that Star Wars keyboard, but I'm not sure yet because it's quite expensive. But my temperatures with the H100 right now, I might as well just pop that up. What one was I using? Here. Oh, I can. Yeah, let me do it with the motherboard that's got the OCZ key in right here, and I'll press the button to get the onboard temperatures. Sorry, hard to do it with one hand. There it is. And so my onboard temperatures for my CPU, focus. Come on. I don't think it's gonna do it. No, it's not. 26 degrees Celsius. Sub-Zero Sense says it's 25.7. So yeah, but my graphics card running 50% fan speed right now on idle. Getting 38 degrees, 39 degrees on temperatures. So yeah, I'm so sorry it's so blurry. I don't know why. Oh, that does it. Okay. Let me go to that. There we go. That's better. So yeah, 27 to 26 on idle. I've had it lowered to the lowest settings, but I don't think it actually changes the fan speed, so that's why I'm hoping to get an actual fan controller. So I'm gonna turn the lights off 1 second and see what it really looks like in the dark. Oh, that's much better. It didn't look much different, but still looks cool with the lights. Lights up there. Fan lights are awesome. Those look amazing. I was gonna spray paint them, but they look awesome, so I don't need to. But yeah, there you go. So, awesome stuff. Hopefully do an update video next month or two, if we get anything. So yeah.